What velocity would an electron with mass of 9.11 times 10 to the negative 31st kilograms need for its de Broglie wavelengths to be that of the red light at 745 nanometers? Okay, so de Broglie wavelengths. Everything has a wave and particle duality. Everything that has mass and moving with the speed. And the wavelengths, can be calculated through the equation of lambda equal to h over mv. We're not calculating wavelengths here. We actually want velocity. So, of course, rearrange the equation. V equal to h over m lambda. 6.626 times 10 to the negative 34th joule second. Mass 9.11 times 10 to the negative 31st kilograms. Now, if you're wondering, do I need to turn kilograms into grams? The answer is no. Kilograms is actually the international standard unit for mass, and it's what we wanted here. Now, if you have any other unit for mass, like grams, like pound, you should actually change it to kilograms to use the de Broglie equation. Wavelengths 745 nanometer. Again, nanometer is not a standard unit, and you need to turn it into one. 1 nanometer is 10 to the negative 9th meter. And of course, looking here, the units will be messy. How can you cancel that? And we're trying to get velocity. Of course, you want meters per second. I can't get meters per second out of this. You could. Now, that's because joule is not a regular unit. It's a complicated unit. And 1 joule actually equals to kilogram times meter square over second square. Knowing this, if you look at the units that we have now, you should find that it cancels perfectly to give you the velocity unit. See? That's joule times second. So that cancels. Divide by kilogram. So kilogram cancels. Divide by meter. So meter cancels. What do you got left? Well, meters per second. So punch these numbers into your calculator and keep the 3 sig figs that we're beginning with. We have 976 meters per second. So for the electron to have de Broglie wavelengths, matter wave wavelengths, to be that of the red light, 745 nanometers, your electron got to be traveling in a very high speed, about a kilometer per second, 976 meters per second. That is the speed that we need.